Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put music on your Instagram stories. So let's get started. First we're gonna swipe left, then we're gonna drag this up, select a photo for the story, for example this one. Then we're gonna tap this icon right here. After that we're gonna select music, and now here we have songs to pick by. Let's say, for example, we're gonna pick this song, but you also can search a song. So you can drag this like this to pick a part if you have a specific part you would like to play. Also, the music could be displayed with lyrics like this. It has different styles, or it can be displayed only with a picture of the music cover. So we're gonna select lyrics for this video purposes. For example, this part, and now we're gonna click play, done, and we only have to place it wherever we like. And then you only have to post it, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.